Anchor, and I'm excited today to show you my newest exclusive listing here at Caves Heights. Let's take a look. This stunning ocean view condo offers the perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and breathtaking scenery. Step inside this beautifully designed condo featuring an open concept layout that flows effortlessly through the living spaces. With large sliding doors that bring in natural light, you'll enjoy ocean views from every corner. As a resident of Caves Heights, you will have access to the community's many amenities, including a free-form family pool, a heated lap pool, 24-hour security, a fitness center, and tennis courts. Located directly across the street from the beach, adjacent to the Caves shopping complex and only moments to Baha Mar, many fine and casual dining options, grocery stores, and Nassau's International Airport, you really can't beat this location. Don't miss this opportunity to make this ocean view condo your dream home. Contact me today to schedule a viewing.